Again, we're going to talk about asking questions using the simple present verb tense. Who is this woman? That's an example of a simple present question. I don't know who she is. I just found her picture on the internet. So, remember we talked about I like ice cream? Well, now you can ask a question about that. Do you love ice cream? Do you love means do you really, really like it? Do you love ice cream? Yes, I do. You can say questions like this. Do you love? Do you like? Do you want? Do you know? Do you think? All of these are do you questions, and the answers can be yes, I do, no, I don't. Does he love ice cream? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. And for example, do you like vanilla ice cream? The answer is really simple. Do you? Yes, I do. And it doesn't matter whether the sentence or your question is short or long. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Do you like vanilla ice cream with sprinkles on top and nuts and cherries and strawberries? Yes, I do. No, I don't. It's the same. Are you? Are you happy? So we're using an adjective here. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Do you notice that the order of the words change a little bit here? Is she beautiful? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it 8 o'clock tonight? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Can you play the guitar? Yes, I can. No, I cannot. Or no, I can't. Am I handsome? Yes, I am. So the simple present verb tense can be used to ask all kinds of questions. Here's a couple examples. Do you brush your teeth every day? Yes, I do. Does he play tennis every week? Either yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Do you love your wife? Yes, I do. And notice that these verbs here kind of work like the other ones that we talked about in the last lesson. Do I? Do you? Do they? Do we? And then he, she, it, and a name, does. So you could say, does she like ice cream? Does she love her husband? Does Mariko play piano? And in this case, yes, she does. No, she doesn't. So here are some questions. There may be more than one answer. English is very flexible, so let's see what we come up with. Does she like ice cream? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. You could say, does she love ice cream? Does she eat ice cream every day? Those are fine. Does he buy a new car every year? What do you think the answer is? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Does she have 3 children? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Good. What do you think about this one? Drink coffee in the morning. Ooh, do you? Do you drink coffee in the morning? Yes, I do, because I love coffee. What do you do with cigarettes? You smoke them. Do you smoke cigarettes? No, I don't. I never smoke cigarettes. Can you cook spaghetti? Sure. You can also say, can you make spaghetti? That's okay too. Can you cook spaghetti? Yes, I can. No, I cannot. How about number 7? Yes, that's right. It's do. Do you? Do you have? Do you have a cute girlfriend? Yes, I do. No, I don't. In my case, no, I don't, because my wife would be very, very angry. Is her name Maria? Yes, the name is an it, so yes, it is. No, it isn't. Is she 27 years old? Yes, she is. Or no, she isn't. And by the way, you can just say, is she 27? Everybody would understand that you're talking about age. What about broccoli? Do you like broccoli? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Again, is John tall? Is John very tall? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. So we've had the questions on this side. Here are the statements. Does she like ice cream? She likes ice cream. All right, the answer to this question, does she like ice cream, is yes, she does. But if you just want to talk about somebody and make a statement, then just say she likes ice cream. He buys a new car every year. Well, he must have a lot of money. She has 3 children. Sorry, that's not a question. I'm just going to put that over it. That's just a period. She has 3 children. You drink coffee in the morning. You could also change this to something else. You make coffee in the morning. You drink tea in the morning. Whatever it is, it's fine. And the next one. You smoke cigarettes. Okay, don't. You can cook spaghetti, or you can make spaghetti. Nice. You might say this. Do you have a cute girlfriend? Do you have a cute girlfriend? Yes, I do. Or if I just want to say something about his girlfriend, I could just say, wow, John, you have a cute girlfriend. He might tell you, her name is Maria, and she is 27 years old. Also, no question there, sorry. I made a little boo-boo. And you like broccoli. John is very tall. So we have questions on these sides, just statements, and the answers any way you want. Does she? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Stop your video for a few seconds. See if you can do some of these, and then come back in a few minutes. Okay, welcome back. Here's the first one. Do we have a lot of homework? You might ask that to your student friend. Does he like onions? There are other words you can put in here, but this is just an example. Do you have a pencil? This is just a way of asking somebody to borrow one, actually. You don't have to say, may I borrow a pencil, to the person sitting next to you. You can just lean over and say, excuse me, do you have a pencil? And the person might say, yes, I do, and hand you one. Does she know how to play the piano? Do you want to wash the dishes? No, thank you. Okay, you could say that. Do you want to wash the dishes? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Or you could just say, no, not really. Or no, I don't. How about potato chips? Are potato chips delicious? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Card games we play. So do you play cards with your friends every Tuesday? Again, yes, I do. That's all you need to say. It Doesn't matter if the sentence is short or long. Remember that. Just these are the two key words right here. Do you play cards with your friends every Tuesday at your mother's house with your sister-in-law? Still, it's the same. Yes, I do. No, I don't. What about a funny person? Are you a funny person? Yes, I am. Ooh, no, I'm not. And let's think about your new car. Is your new car beautiful? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Does he drink coffee every day? Yes, he does. All right. Do you drink coffee every day? Yes, I do. And this one is just asking a very simple question. Is candy sweet? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. You could even say, of course. So the answers are right here. And notice how they work. I'm not going to take a lot of time to look at them one by one. You can actually think about them and look at them later when you get a chance. Okay, let's move on to another one. Let's just answer the questions this time. So take a few minutes, stop the video, and see if you can answer these questions. Go ahead. Okay, did you answer all the questions? Well, here you go. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Don't be shy. It's okay. Yes, speak with confidence. Yes, I do. Are you from Japan? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. If you are not from Japan, let's say you're from China, you could say, no, I'm not. I'm from China. That's perfect. Is she your wife? Yes, she is. Or, no, she isn't. Do you like sushi? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. If you're going to say no, I don't, you could say, do you like sushi? No, I don't. I like, and then, I don't know, steak, okay? Are you sad? Yes, I am. Or, no, I'm not. Where's your car? It is in the garage. It's in the garage. You could also answer this in a short way by saying, in the garage. Problem. Nope. How old are you? I am 65. Now you may have learned, I am 65 years old, but the person just asked you, how old are you? And they're just looking for a number, so you can just answer this shortly by saying, I'm 65. Does Ernesto like his job? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Is Sarah a good cook? Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Notice how my tone changes a little bit when I say this, right? If Sarah is a good cook, I'm happy. Yes, she is. If Sarah is a terrible cook, then I'm going to answer with, no, she isn't. A little bit sad sounding. Why are they laughing? Because he is funny. And because just means the reason. So why are they laughing? The reason is funny. The reason because he's funny. Can you help me carry this box? Can you? Yes, she can. No, she can't. I'm sorry. Can she? Yes, she can. No, she can't. Does this perfume smell nice? Yes, it does. Or no, it doesn't. Does Juan like spicy food? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. Write a simple present verb in these blank spaces. We sometimes read comic books. You can put another word here. You could say we sometimes buy comic books. That's okay. Joan loves romance movies. This means that she likes it very, very much. What kind of movies? Romance movies. My daughter loves romance movies too. You often sleep late on Sundays. Sure, lots of people do that. I always eat breakfast. You could also say, I always skip breakfast, or I never eat breakfast is okay too. I love apple pie. So good. The girls always talk to me. Now, of course, you can use a different verb here. That's fine. As long as it's in the simple present and it makes sense, don't worry about it. Okay, here's an activity. Practice by making some sentences about yourself. Use the I am, I'm not, I want, I like, I have, I don't like, and more. So, for example, I am Jerry. I am not young. I want a new car. I like pizza. I have 3 daughters. I don't like cooked fish. I like sushi. Simple present questions. Do you feel like you can ask people questions now? Take some time and think of questions to ask people. Ask your wife some questions, or your friends, your children. Ask them some simple present questions. Ask yourself some simple present questions and then answer them. Practice. It's a lot of fun, and I'll see you in the next lesson.